Welcome back. After Germany trip, Pune trip is on the cards for councillors of Kurchare municipality. Councillors have unanimously resolved to study the garbage treatment plants in Pune before going ahead with One India constituency. Majority of councillors are opposing 100 tons capacity treatment plant. They say only 8 to 20 tons is enough for their area.
Kurchare Municipal Council convened its high voltage meeting on proposed garbage treatment plant based on German technology. Majority of the councillors are against this plant and have placed resolution that garbage from outside Kurchare should not be allowed in the locality for treatment. Councillors have also suggested that a trip to Pune be sanctioned in order to study the treatment plants there. Council has unanimously resolved for the Pune trip. The dates will be fixed later.
वो प्लांट जो आमचो कुडचड्यार येवपा आहा ते आमचे कॅपेसिटीचो भायर आसा जी आमची गार्बेज आहा ती 8 ते 9 टन आसा तेजे प्रमाणे हो 100 टनाचो प्लांट कुडचड्यार गरज ना त्या खातीर आमी कावन्सिलान अशें ठरयलें की आमी भायले स्टेटी वचोन आउट ऑफ स्टेट म्हळ्यार गुजराताक जावं पुण्याक वचोन आमी प्लांट पळयतले तेजे नंतर ते स्टडी करून तेजे नंतर आमी कितें म्हणटा डिसिजन घेतलें. दुसरी गोश्ट आमकां प्लांटाक कुडचड्यार ओपोज ना. प्लांट आमकां फक्त ती भायली गार्बेज आनी जे कॅपेसिटीचे आहा ज्या प्रमाणे सरकार इतली घाई करता त्या गोश्टी लागून ते पद्दतीक ओपोज आहा.
आनी आयज आमी डिस्कशन केलां की आमी पुना वयचेश म्हणून लाखो कावन्सील पुना वचून तो प्लांट वयचेश म्हणून फर्स्ट हँड एक्सपिरियन्स ऑफ द प्लांट आनी कितें आनीक निर्णय केला आयज आमी एक एजन्सी अपॉयंट करचेश म्हणून आउटसोर्सिंग करचेश म्हणून आनी सगळी ऑल द हावजीस टू बी एसेस्ड एज इज वेरीज बेजीस कितले एक्सटेंशन जालें कितले न्यू रूम्स बांदले तशें जी बिजनस एस्टाब्लिशमेंट आहाय ताका बोर्ड्स नाय ते बी बोर्ड सगळी सर्वे करचेश म्हणून एक आउटसोर्स करचेश म्हणून म्हाका परमिशन दिला.
Mayur Naik for Prudent.
Goa-India defeated Angola by 77 to 70 points and won the gold medal in Lusofonia Games basketball on Monday. The final was a close contest witnessed by a capacity crowd at the Dr. Shyam Prasad Mukherjee Indoor Stadium at Talegaon. The hoopsters took Goa-India's tally to 27 gold medals at the ongoing Lusofonia Games. Meanwhile, in the women's category, Mozambique clinched the gold medal, while Angola finished second. Goa-India has clinched bronze medal on Sunday itself.
A high-voltage clash between two of the most impressive basketball teams in the games produced a high-quality entertainment. Goa-India came up with a sparkling performance to emerge the deserving champions. Earlier in the morning, Angola clinched gold and silver medal in men's 10-kilometre road run. Cape Verde bagged the bronze medal.
And the first round being followed by 106.
In the women's event, Portugal bagged the gold while Angola and Goa-India clinched silver and bronze medal respectively. The road run was the final event in athletics where the hosts were the most dominant team, bagging a whopping 15 gold medals, 14 silver and 9 bronze medals. Meanwhile, the organizers have put together a cultural treat for the closing ceremony, with Goan artists at the forefront. The closing ceremony will be staged at Nehru Stadium on Wednesday evening.
सेरेमनीचेर आमी थीम अशी दवरल्या की बेसिकली गोवा इज अ होस्ट कंट्री आणि त्या खातीर गोंयचे कलाकार आपली कला पेश करून सगळ्यांक फेअरवेल दितात अशी थीम आसा. तेजी फालची कॅपॅसिटी जी आसा टोटल ग्राउंडाची कॅपॅसिटी विल बी अराउंड 11,000 10 to 11,000.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.